world of think and learn, as seen through the eyes of a child.
Roll me, hold me, ring around the rosy, yonder to yonder, fly away. Sunny bright colors, glistening like a rainbow, merry, merry melodies, all at play. Slowly falling, rolling along, little one, see the smiling, happy faces all around. All that's needed is a wide-eyed fantasy. 1, 2, round again, here they come.
Think and learn. A whole new world of preschool toys created for their world. The world as seen through the eyes of a child.